Your mind is hijacked. Every scroll, every click, every late-night urge, it's not random. It's a system designed to keep you addicted. If you want focus, if you want power, you have to desexualize your brain. Here's how. Your brain wasn't built for constant stimulation. One scroll through Instagram, and you've seen more skin in 10 seconds than a king would in his lifetime. That messes with your dopamine. It wires your brain to crave junk, not real connection, not real purpose. Your focus? Gone. Your drive? Blunted. Your standards? Lowered. Step 1. Cut the visual poison. Unfollow, mute, block, whatever it takes. You don't need half-naked people in your pocket 24/7. Step 2. Control your triggers. No phone in bed, no endless scrolling. Dopamine detox, reclaim your attention. Step 3. Redirect your energy. Gym, books, business, silence. When the urges come, channel them. Don't fight, redirect. Step 4. Build discipline through discomfort. Cold showers, early mornings, long focus blocks. Every time you say no to the urge, you become stronger. Most guys are weak because they chase pleasure. Real strength? It's in the silence, the control, the energy you keep for yourself. Desexualize your brain and unlock the version of you that's focused, respected, and untouchable. Just be it.